Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to create Google Play Store account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. The first thing you'll need to know is that in order to create a Google Play Store account, all you need to have is a Google account first. Make sure you're signed up to a Google account and simply go and tap open your Play Store. From the very first interface, tap on the sign in button and enter your email or your phone number for your Google account. After you do that, tap on the next button. On the next page, enter your password for your account correctly. Double check your password by tapping on the show password box and reveal your password before moving on. After that, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on I agree to the terms of service of Google and there you go. That is how you can create a Google Play account. You'll only need to have a Google account in order to do so. You won't need to sign up to Play Store account. Just sign into your Google account and you'll be automatically signed up for your Google Play Store account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.